Okay, hello. Today I would like to do a little review on the Dryden Design pen that I got off of Amazon. It comes in this really nice case. It's like I get these pens and they come in these wood and plastic, metal, even metal cases, but I prefer this so much. This thing is just great because I can actually tie the pen to my notebook just like this, and it doesn't come off. I've had this pen for about a month and a half. The only complaint is, you see that? It's got a big old dent right in the cap, which is unfortunate. I've sent their team an email. I'm just gonna wait to hear back. I just sent that tonight just because I noticed that earlier today. But besides that, this pen is an absolute joy to write with. I love writing with this pen. It's a medium nib, and it's actually got a really pretty finish. Gold on the tip and accents everywhere, and I didn't even start writing cursive until I got this pen, just because it is so fun just to try with this medium nib. I mean, my handwriting is not great, but this is the first time I've even tried cursive since second grade, and I've filled up like almost half this notebook. Sometimes I just like to do fun crap, but I actually do really love this pen. I'm just waiting to hear back about this dent, but in the meantime I have ordered a replacement just because of how much I like it, and I like it to take into work, yeah. So that's the review of this Dryden fountain pen, medium nib, on Amazon. Is $26. Yeah, and that's it.